In this video, I am about to share the latest one of 10 coupon code, which will give you a flat 30% discount on your order. To get started, simply click on the first link down below in the video description. The link will take you to this page. Here, you first need to sign up or log in for a 1 of 10 account. I am going to continue with my Google account. Once logged in, you'll see the pricing plans of 1 of 10. For now, I will select the monthly plan. This will take us to the checkout page. As you can see, the monthly plan will cost us $39. You'll also see this Add Promo Code section. Here, you need to enter this coupon code, which is showing on your screen. The coupon code is Viral30, which will provide you a flat 30% discount. As soon as I hit the Apply button, you can see that now I only need to pay $27 for the first month. But if you want to save huge amount with your subscription, I recommend going with the yearly plan. You see, with the yearly plan, you will get a 47% discount directly. On top of that, this coupon code will give you another 30% discount. So, I will choose the yearly plan now. Next, on the checkout page, I will again use the coupon code. And you can see that it has given me a 30% discount here. And now, I only need to pay $174 for 1 year of subscription. It means that it will only cost me $15 per month, instead of the regular $39 per month plan, which is a huge saving for sure. Next, you only need to fill your payment info, and then make the purchase. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to use the first link, which is given in the video description. That is an affiliate link, which will provide you the latest offers and discount of 1 of 10. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.